If you're looking to snag some name brand gear on Hacoo, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. When you open the app, you'll land right on the homepage. Most people think typing any big label into the search bar will instantly bring up the right items, but on Hacoo, that doesn't always happen, especially if you're a new user or the app hasn't built your preferences yet. Instead of stressing, glance just below the search bar where you'll see a row of broad categories like fashion, shoes, beauty, home, and more. Tapping into the fashion or shoes section is usually the best way to surface branded items, because this is where most of the verified sellers list their collections. If you don't see anything right away, don't worry. Since your account is new, the app might still be learning your style. Spend a minute scrolling through the categories, checking out different sections, and opening a few listings. Hacoo's algorithm adjusts quickly, and after a bit of browsing, you'll start seeing more brand name clothing such as designer jackets, premium streetwear, and high-end sneakers. You can also use the built-in filters to narrow things down by size, price range, color, or even trending popularity. Sorting by popularity is especially useful when you want to see items with the best reviews or the highest demand. Once you find something you like, just tap it to open the product page. From there, choose your size, check the photos, read the seller details, and review the ratings if they're available. When you're ready, simply tap the checkout button and proceed just like you would on any other shopping app. That's really all there is to it. Browse the categories, let the app learn your taste, find the brand you want, and complete your purchase. With just a little exploration, you'll start seeing more premium and branded options show up every time you open Hacoo.